Hello friends, uh, this is a Forex robo which runs on multiple pairs and it will trade based on certain logic, that is price action logic, trend following logic, top and bottom logic, and support resistance, and it will trade around you can fix the number of trades you need for each pair. You can fix a maximum limit, like you see that here there are two buys of AUD USD. There are two buys here of JPY AUD JPY, three here of or three or four. So I have fixed the limit to 5 maximum trades per pair, so it will not increase beyond 5. And you can see the dashboard that it is trading based on multiple time frames, like it will be 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I think there are just 3 time frames that is fixed currently, and the lot size can be fixed. It can be fixed to any volume of lot, as well as it can be fixed to money management based on your capital. So here everything is very well protected. Like you see, stop loss is there, target is there, and we can also fix the stop loss and target based on risk reward ratio. Like if you want 1:2, 1:3, 1:5, or any such thing, you can fix it like that. So the benefit of this system is that it's not that each time frame has one trend, like a minute one, 1 minute or a 5 minute could have a buy trend, whereas a 15 minute could have a sell trend, 1 hour could have a buy trend, 30 minutes could have a sell trend. So the Forex trader trades based on that trend, not one particular trend. So the advantage to that is that, like how can we know? I mean, how can we trade only based on one trend of a higher time frame or a lower time frame? So this has been designed so that it trades independently based on each time frame trend of its own. So there is no dependence on higher, lower. It has a feature where we can fix that it trades only based on when all the time frames are in one direction. But that will reduce the number of entries, as well as it will wait too long for everything to align properly and then only trade. So we have multiple settings in this. It can trade based on single time frame trends. It can trade based on combined trend of many time frames. So as you see, it's now running in profit of $1.30 or something, and it's got multiple trades open, and so now it's $2 something, and it's closing few trades.